Hey, Texas Rider here. My buddy just lent me the Ray-Bans Gen 2s. This is not a sponsored link or anything like that, but I wanted to use them to see if I can do a point of view if I'm working on the bike or if I'm at a rally. I can just put these glasses on, do some really cool videos. It shoots vertical video. So, I mean, you can still use it for YouTube shorts, Facebook, stuff like that. But it has a 12 megapixel camera inside. It shoots a 3K for 3 minutes, and it shoots 1080 for 5 minutes. Boom, this is what they look like. Ooh, got that camera on the side. Ray-Ban, these are nice. And they match my bike too, they're blue. But of course they're not mine, they're my buddies. But this would be like a point of view. So like if I'm working on my bike, you know, something like this, I can just kind of view things around here, you know. If anything's strapped to myself or I'm not holding the camera to do stuff, I can just do a point of view here. Look at the bike, work on what I need, do a video, check things out here. So I'm gonna give you a point of view right here, right now here. So I'm looking, I got this camera on right now. As you can tell, this light flashes, so you have to let people know, I guess, that you know, they're recording, whatever. But just kind of look in here, this is the point of view right now. Just looking around the bike, kind of just work on it. Point of view here, the glasses on, do what you need to do. This should be good to go. What do you think? What do you guys think about this? You think you can use this in your videos? Let me know. Thanks for watching.